everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 lines on a rainy day. So let's get started. India has 3 seasons: summer, winter and the rainy. The rainy season comes after summer. It comes in the months of July, August and September. Rain brings greenery and coolness everywhere. When the rain comes, farmers feel very happy. I enjoy rain with my umbrella and raincoat. My brother floats paper boats in the rainy water. Sometimes a rainbow appears in the sky after the rain. Excess rains bring flood and cause harm. The peacock dances in the rain. That's all for this video. If this video was helpful for you, then do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.